So, Homayoun, the numbers that are being spoken of are 300 to 400 million barrels. I presume that would be maybe all at once. How would it work? And put that into context for us. Is it a lot?
Good morning, Vani. Yeah, I think this is actually quite significant. We're talking about 400 million barrels. As you said, the key element is how fast will this be released, if it is to be released. And I think, if you look at the past SPR releases, such as from 2022, it was very gradual. But here this time, I don't think the market has the ability to wait for this to be gradual like in 2022. So I would say that if any release has to happen, it has to be relatively sudden compared to a gradual release, and that would be very important. In terms of the importance, 400 million barrels we estimate is roughly around 45 to 50 days of supply losses that we are currently seeing happening from the Middle Eastern countries, because you still have some exports from Saudi Arabia, from the UAE, which are partially able to bypass the Strait of Hormuz, and obviously from Iran, which is also continuing its own exports. So it's not like we have lost total exports from the Persian Gulf, but I would say roughly half of that, so more or less around 8 to 9 million barrels per day of loss, and that's how we came up with the estimate of 45 to 50 days. So the key question is, how long will this war last? If it's more than 45, 50 days, then it won't be enough.